Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'll be presenting about locking system by using the Arduino system. And in this project, I'll be showing you guys on the safety awareness by using this Arduino system. And for this project, I'll be using the two LED, which is the red one and the green one, and the potentiometer, 7 segment display, button, and of course the Arduino. For this system, when the red light up, it means that the system is locked, and when the green light is light up, it means that the system is unlocked. For to unlock the system, the potentiometer need to be rotated to show the display on the 7 segment display on when it can be unlocked. And when the 7 segment display shows the right value, we need to push the button to actually unlock it. Okay, when the display on the 7 segment display shows number 1, it cannot be unlocked. When we push the button, the green light does not light up, and the red light is light up, means that it's still the system is still locked. And when we rotate the potentiometer to number 2 and we push the button, the system is unlocked. And when we goes to number 3, the system is locked and it cannot be unlocked. And when we go to number 4, the system is still locked. So that to actually unlock the system, we have to actually go to number 2 to bypass the system. And that's all for the safety awareness by using the unlocking device by using the Arduino. Thank you.